One goes to the mountains and lives like a hippie, and one gets into modelling and then movies and takes the human growth hormone. By the age of 50, the wrinkles are coming anyway, and she can't afford the human growth hormone, so she stops. And in 6 months, she ages 10 years. Now let's have a look at both of those women when they're 60. Who's going to look good? The hippie in the rainforest, or the hippie in the mountains, who naturally does the high intensity in her work.
What if I told you that your skin is aging faster than you think? By the time you finish watching this video, your body will have lost a little more collagen, and once it's gone, getting it back isn't easy. Collagen is the secret to youthful, firm, and glowing skin, but most people don't realize that after the age of 25, they start losing it every single year. By 50, up to 30% of your collagen could be gone, leaving you with wrinkles, sagging, and dull skin. But how can you protect and restore collagen naturally? One of the most effective ways to restore collagen is by giving your body the nutrients it needs. So, here's what you should focus on. Eat the right foods. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant is essential for collagen synthesis. Foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwis not only boost collagen, but also protect your skin from sun damage and pollution. Protein-rich foods. Collagen itself is a protein, so your body needs enough amino acids to produce it. Eggs, fish, lean meats, dairy, and plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas help keep your skin firm and strong. Bone broth. This superfood is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that help improve skin elasticity and hydration. Regular consumption can lead to smoother, more youthful skin. A well-balanced diet filled with these collagen-boosting foods can make a noticeable difference in your skin's health and appearance. But while the right foods can help preserve collagen, the wrong ones can accelerate its breakdown. So, what should you avoid?
Stop the wheat, dairy, refined sugar, peanuts, and oats.
But food is just one part of the equation. Up next, let's talk about lifestyle habits that can either support or destroy your skin's collagen. Number 1, stay hydrated.
Your skin also needs water. It is water that the body uses to throw off waste via the skin. So you need to be drinking adequate water.
Your skin is like a sponge. It needs water to stay plump, smooth, and youthful. Dehydration can make fine lines and wrinkles more noticeable, so aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas, coconut water, and water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges can also keep your skin hydrated from within. Hydration isn't just about drinking water. Using a good moisturizer with ingredients like ceramides and glycerin can help lock in moisture, keeping your skin soft and supple. Number 2. Protect your skin from the sun. The sun is one of the biggest culprits behind collagen breakdown. UV rays penetrate deep into the skin, damaging collagen fibers and leading to sagging, wrinkles, and dark spots. To protect your skin, always wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days. UV rays can still reach your skin through windows and during short trips outside. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Wear protective clothing like wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and long sleeves to shield your skin from direct sun exposure. Number 3. Use the right skincare products.
Careful what you're putting on the skin because it can inhibit its ability to breathe, and it can also inhibit its ability to throw off waste. And the skin also absorbs.
Feeding your skin from within is important, but what you apply topically can make a big difference too. The right skincare products can help stimulate collagen and keep your skin looking youthful. So, let's explore the key ingredients that can keep your skin firm and radiant. Retinoids. Known for their ability to speed up skin renewal, retinoids encourage your body to produce more collagen, reducing fine lines and wrinkles over time. Hyaluronic acid. This moisture-binding ingredient helps your skin retain hydration, making it appear plumper and smoothing out wrinkles. Vitamin C Serum. Vitamin C brightens the skin, fights free radicals, and supports collagen production for a firmer, more radiant complexion. While the right skincare routine helps on the outside, what you do with your body plays a major role too. Number 4. Exercise regularly.
The skin also needs you to exercise because when you exercise, you increase the circulation of the blood to the skin.
One of the most effective forms of exercise for collagen support is high-intensity interval training.
15 minutes of high-intensity interval training a day will cause a release of the human growth hormone, and that will remain active for 24 hours. What a bargain. If you don't think you've got 15 minutes in a day, it's time to do an assessment of what you do with your time.
A good workout can do wonders for your skin, but your efforts won't mean much if you're engaging in habits that destroy collagen. Here are some common mistakes that can accelerate aging and damage your skin. Smoking. It's one of the worst things you can do for your skin. The toxins in cigarettes break down collagen and elastin, leading to premature wrinkles, dullness, and sagging skin. But if you need another reason to quit, smoking also restricts blood flow, reducing the oxygen and nutrients your skin needs to stay healthy. Excessive alcohol. A glass of wine now and then isn't the problem, but too much alcohol dehydrates your skin, making it dry and prone to fine lines. It also increases inflammation, which can speed up collagen breakdown. Poor diet, processed foods, excess sugar, and unhealthy fats contribute to glycation, a process that makes collagen stiff and weak. This leads to loss of skin elasticity and the formation of deep wrinkles. While these habits can speed up aging, the power to protect your skin is in your hands. By making small, consistent changes to your daily routine through exercise, healthy habits, and skincare, you can maintain firm, youthful skin for years to come. So, which of these collagen-boosting tips will you be adding to your routine? Let me know in the comments.